Ever wondered how farmers, planners, and researchers can track crop distribution on a map in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to map crops online using MAPOG, so you can easily visualize production patterns, soil types, and yields. Whether you are a farmer, a student, or a researcher, mapping crops online helps you understand agricultural trends, plan better, and make data-driven decisions. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new map. Select the map type as category, give it a clear title like Crop Distribution by Category, and add a short description. Step 2. Add your first point. Click on Add Story, add manually. Enter the location coordinates from the toolbox, confirm the point's location, and give it a title and description. You can even upload an image of the crop or region. Step 3. Add crop categories. Create groups like cereals, pulses, oilseeds, fruits, and vegetables. Select the right category for each point. Step 4. Define a point type called crop production. Add attributes such as season, irrigation, soil type, yield, and production. Set the value types accordingly for each attribute you added. These details make your map more informative and accurate. Once the point type is added, fill out the details for each point. Step 5. Customize your points. Change the marker icon to a circle, select a color, and adjust the label text and label color. You can even resize the circle to represent crop yield or importance. Step 6. Repeat the same process for all crop points. Assign them to categories, add details, and keep the styling consistent. Step 7. Add state boundaries for context. From the GIS Data library, select the India state level boundary and overlay it on your map for a clearer regional picture. And that's it. Your crop map is ready. This method reveals key production zones, highlights soil and irrigation patterns, and supports better planning for farmers, supply chains, researchers, and government initiatives. Ready to create your own crop map? Head to story.mapog.com and start mapping today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. For any queries you can reach out to us at support@mapog.com. Thanks for watching.